Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your subscription service with Hulu. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your subscription service with Hulu, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Hulu website at www.hulu.com. Once the page loads, click on the login button located in the top right corner. Enter your email address associated with your Hulu account in the designated field. Next, type in your password and click on the Login button. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password via the email sent to your registered email address. Once logged in, go to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Account. Scroll down to find the Billing Information section. Check your subscription status to see if it is paused or cancelled. If it's paused, look for an option to resume your subscription and click on it. If it's cancelled, you will need to select the option to reactivate your subscription. Choose your preferred subscription plan from the available options. Fill in any required payment information and review the terms. Once everything looks good, click on the Submit or Confirm button. After reactivating your subscription, navigate back to your account settings to ensure everything reflects accurately. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your subscription recovery. Log out and then log back in to verify that your subscription is active. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.